Happy New Year, everyone. As we all know, we create these New Year's resolutions on the 1st, and then on the 7th, we just stop trying to accomplish them. This video, I am going to let you know about several different apps that you can use in order to accomplish your New Year's resolutions. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the most common New Year's resolution is to start sticking to a budget. Last year, I released a video going over the Copilot app, and while that app is good, it's only for individuals who have Apple products. Luckily, there is another budgeting app you can use, and that is Rocket Money. For those of you who don't know, Rocket Money allows you to actually cancel subscriptions within the app, but that's the big appeal of Rocket Money. You can also set up a budget for the particular month. You can link your checking, savings, investment accounts. Even if you have a mortgage, you can link that as well. So the best part about Rocket Money is that it's free. On the topic of finances, investing is also a common New Year's resolution. And for this particular section, I have a couple of different apps you can use. Which one you decide to go with depends on if you like the app or not, if you like the service or not. And those apps are the Schwab app, the Fidelity app, and if you are into crypto or if you want to get into crypto, then you can start off with Coinbase. With the first two apps, you're able to trade stocks, options, and a whole bunch of other assets in the market. If you do not have a brokerage account, I highly recommend that you at least create one. It's free to create one, and you'll be able to have powerful tools at your fingertips. If you want to learn options and you want to trade options, then I highly recommend the Thinkorswim app. I have a bias because I've actually worked on that app, and that app is so powerful that you probably don't need the desktop app, but if you want to trade options on the go, then Thinkorswim is the best route. On the crypto side, I know there are a ton of different apps that allow you to invest in crypto, but if you are just starting out, then maybe you want to stick to something like Coinbase. The interface is pretty simple. Once you get to a point where you understand how to invest in crypto, then you can invest in a hardware wallet, which is highly recommended, and you can also move to different platforms. Depending on where you live in the United States, then certain apps may or may not work. For example, Coinbase works well when I lived in New York, but other apps like Kraken did not. So it's best to check with the app developer to see if that platform is supported in your particular state. Learning a new language is also one of those New Year's resolutions that we make, and it's hard for us to keep up. Now, for this app, I recommend getting started with Duolingo. Duolingo has several different tiers, and I believe that you can get away with using the free tier. However, if you want to elevate your language learning, then you can go with Duolingo Max. And with Duolingo Max, you're allowed to actually role play. You can have video chats with some of the characters there. With Duolingo, you can learn Spanish. I am learning both Spanish and Japanese, and actually, I have to really get back on my Japanese because I want to visit Japan when I turn 40. So I definitely need to get back on that horse. The interface is pretty smooth. It's pretty simple. There's also a competition aspect to it where you have different leagues. So if you are the competitive type, then I think that using this particular app will help you with your language learning goals. Fitness resolutions are one of those that are easy to make but hard to keep. The app I recommend is a bit controversial and a bit unexpected for this particular category. The app I recommend is YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is free. There are a ton of different creators in the fitness space, and you'll be able to find the creator that best suits your particular fitness goals. The best part about the YouTube app is that it also comes on a lot of smart TVs. So if you are struggling to see a particular workout on your iPhone or your Android, then you can definitely play that video on your smart TV, and you'll be able to see exactly how the content creator sets his form. And overall, YouTube is pretty great for fitness. Who doesn't like to earn more money? The Fiverr app is an app that allows you to sell your services for a fee. And if you have highly monetizable skills, such as video editing, maybe you are a coder, maybe you have HR experience, you can use those skills in order to actually earn some extra income. Some of the programmers that I've seen on Fiverr charge anywhere from $1,000 for a simple app to like $7,000 for something more complicated. Now, are you going to earn $7,000 a month on Fiverr just for completing one app? Maybe. It's best for you to at least take a look at the app, register, and complete a couple of jobs. That way you can get your reputation up. And that is it. Those are the apps that I recommend for some of the most common New Year's resolutions. Now, there are other common New Year's resolutions such as reading, so you can definitely use the Kindle app. If you are on iOS, then you can definitely use the Books app, but with Kindle, you'll probably get a better deal on the same books than the bookstore on iOS. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. I want to thank all 487 of you that are subscribed to the channel. And if you want to continue this journey with me, then I highly suggest that you also subscribe as well. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Take care.